Hello HLP teachers, this is Tech Rob, and in this tutorial we will go over the basic navigation of School Loop. By the end of this video, you will understand where things are located, as well as how to preview and publish your site. If you're new to School Loop, you can log in by signing on to your school's webpage and scrolling down to the very bottom where you will see the staff login button. Go ahead and click that. Your login name and password will be the same login and password for your Hacienda La Puente username and password. And this will take you to the main page. From this main page, you have a few options. Let's take a look at these three icons up here: My Locker, My Calendar, and My Website. First, let's look at My Locker. My Locker works just like a locker. You can upload files, links, and folders to be accessed at a later date. And there are also shared lockers. For example, if I click on this home web page link, it looks like David Nieto has uploaded a lot of files to share with the whole faculty. Next, let's click on My Calendar. My Calendar is a place where you can add events such as homework, tests, quizzes, reminders. And you do that by selecting this Add Events tab. You can add general events or personal items. I happen to have some examples here, and these can be shown when you select or deselect the checkbox. Let's go ahead and add an event. Let's make it a personal item. And let's just go ahead and title it Personal 725. You can set the location, date and time. If there's any contact information, you can attach files, links, any kind of description, and then you'll publish. And as you can see, it pops up right here. We can go back. And have a nicer view from our original page. Lastly, let's click on My Website. This is the website that will show on your school's webpage. Depending on your school, you'll have 2 to 3 areas of where to put things. You can save your draft, you can delete your draft, you can preview the draft before you publish it to the webpage, and after you publish it, you can view live on what your actual web page will look like. To add things to your web page, you can click this plus button, and it'll give you a few options which we will go over in our next video. You can also add subpages to your main page, depending on how many subjects or clubs or sports that you do at your school. Let's go ahead and take a look at how Preview Draft and Live View work. If I was to add something to my web page, say some text, I'll have to title it. So let's call it News. And let's just write down hello. Save and exit. There are also many other options that I could have done. And it shows up on my draft page. Now what I could do is I can select Preview Draft. And this is what will appear on my school webpage. If I like it, I'll go back and publish it. But let's go ahead and select Live View again. This is, again, how my site is currently. I select Live View, and nothing's there because I haven't published my work. Once I publish my work, now I can view it in Live View And there it is. So what I recommend is, if needed, go back and watch the video and explore all the different options that there were under your calendar or locker or website. And if you need any help, please contact or ask any of the Tech Tosas. We're always available to help. Thank you.